One of the ways to check if your Android phone has malware pre-installed is to look at the list of installed apps and permissions on your device. This will help you identify any suspicious or unwanted apps that may have access to your personal data or device features. Here are the steps to do that. On your phone, open the Settings app and tap Apps and Notifications. Tap Permission Manager to open the Android Permission Controller app. Here you can see a list of different categories of permissions, such as location, camera, microphone, etc. Under each permission's name, you can see how many apps have access to that permission. Tap a specific permission that you're interested in, such as location. Here you'll see apps that have access to your location all the time or only while in use. You can also see apps that have asked for this permission, but you have denied it. To change an app's permission setting, tap it and then choose Allow, Don't Allow, or Ask every time. For example, if you don't want an app to access your location at all, you can choose Don't Allow. You can also check which permissions an app has by tapping the app's name in the Apps and Notifications menu. Then tap Permissions, and you'll see a list of all the permissions that app can use. You can toggle them on or off as you wish. Another way to check Android app permissions is in the Google Play Store. Open Google Play and find the app you're interested in. Scroll down and tap About this app. Scroll down to the bottom and tap App Permissions. Here you can see all the permissions the app will request before you install it. By following these steps, you can check the list of installed apps and permissions on your Android phone and remove any malware or unwanted apps that may compromise your privacy and security. One of the most important steps to keep your Android phone secure is to avoid installing malware on it. Malware is unsafe or unwanted software that may steal your personal information, harm your device, or display annoying ads. But how can you tell if your phone is malware? Here are some common signs of malware infection that you should look out for. Pop-up ads that won't go away. If you're suddenly seeing a lot of ads in a specific app, or even when no apps are open, you may be infected with adware. These annoying pop-ups can generate money from ad clicks, try to infect you with worse malware, or link to scam offers. Whatever you do, don't click. Unexplained apps. If you notice apps that you don't recognize on your phone, or apps that disappear right after you install them, you may have downloaded a Trojan.Dropper app. This type of app can install other malicious apps on your device without your knowledge or consent. Frequent crashes. If your phone is constantly freezing, crashing, or restarting, it may be due to malware that is interfering with its normal functioning. Malware can also cause your phone to behave erratically or display error messages. Battery drain. If your phone's battery is draining much faster than usual, it may be because malware is hijacking your phone's components in order to perform background tasks. For example, some malware can use your phone's CPU, camera, microphone, or GPS to spy on you or mine cryptocurrency. Data usage. If you notice a sudden spike in your data usage, it may be because malware is sending or receiving data from remote servers. Some malware can also use your phone's SMS or call functions to contact premium numbers or send spam messages. If you notice any of these signs on your phone, don't panic. There are some steps you can take to remove malware and protect your device. In the next section, we'll show you how to do that. If you suspect that your Android phone has malware pre-installed, you need to take action to remove it as soon as possible. Malware can steal your personal information, harm your device, and display annoying pop-up ads. In this section, we will show you how to remove malware from your Android phone using antivirus apps, factory reset, or safe mode. The first method is to use an antivirus app that can scan and remove malicious apps from your device. There are many antivirus apps available on the Google Play Store, but we recommend Malwarebytes for Android, which is free and effective. To use Malwarebytes for Android, follow these steps. Download and install Malwarebytes for Android from the Google Play Store. Open the app and tap Scan. Wait for the scan to complete and review the results. If any malware is detected, tap Remove Selected Items. Restart your device and check if the malware is gone. The second method is to perform a factory reset on your device. This will erase all your data and settings, including any malware that may be installed. However, this also means that you will lose your contacts, photos, messages, and other important files. Therefore, you should back up your data before doing a factory reset. To perform a factory reset on your device, follow these steps. Go to Settings and tap System. Tap Reset Options and then Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Tap Erase All Data and confirm your choice. Wait for the process to finish and set up your device again. The third method is to use Safe Mode to uninstall malicious apps manually. Safe Mode is a special mode that disables all third-party apps and allows you to troubleshoot your device. To use Safe Mode to remove malware from your device, follow these steps. Press and hold the power button until you see the power menu. Tap and hold the power off option until you see the reboot to Safe Mode option. Tap OK and wait for your device to reboot in Safe Mode. Go to Settings and tap Apps and Notifications. Tap See All Apps and look for any suspicious apps that you don't recognize or trust. Tap the app and then tap Uninstall. Repeat this for any other malicious apps you find. Restart your device normally and check if the malware is gone. These are some of the ways you can remove malware from your Android phone using antivirus apps, factory reset, or Safe Mode. We hope this video was helpful and informative. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and stay safe.